Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stop message requests on Instagram, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So if you guys want to stop your message request on Instagram, what happens is people who follow you, they won't be able to send a request or message you, because in order to send message on Instagram, your request needs to be on. Because if your request is not on and they do not follow you, then they won't be able to message you. So in a simple term, if you turn your request mode off, only the followers or only people who follow you can message you, alright? So if you're okay with that, then follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on your Instagram profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right, which is also known as the hamburger menu, and click on where it says setting. Now once you're inside your settings, the option over here at the top where it says search, you want to click on search and search for message, M-E-S-S-E-G-E. Now once you search for message, the second option where it says messages, click on it. Once you click on messages, the first option where it says your followers on Instagram, click on it. Once you do that, click on where it says don't receive requests. Make sure this is chosen. If it's chosen message request, then other people can request. But if you choose don't receive request, that means nobody should be able to send you message. So yeah, and in the bottom as well, you can read this. Message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder unless you choose not to receive them. As you guys can see, I have chosen not to receive them, so it should be good to go. That's how we guys can turn off or stop message requests on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.